Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to download, update apps on iPhone and iPad and iPod Touch in iOS 15, iOS 15.5. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to launch App Store and tap on profile icon in top right corner. Then tap on Apple ID. Here, maybe Touch ID, Face ID or passcode is required, and tap Manage Payments. Here, we have to update the billing address and all information, then tap Done. Then go back to App Store and Profile. All the way go down and tap Sign Out and sign out from the App Store. After that, force close all the apps that are running in the background, include the App Store. Back to App Store. And sign in with your Apple ID. The next thing that we have to do, go to Settings, General, Update, and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. Then go back to General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset All Settings. iPhone passcode required, and this process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to tap again Reset All Settings to confirm. That's it. With this simple and easy step, you will get rid of this issue, not downloading, not updating app on iPhone. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.